everybody. We are here at Zambales. What is the city? Narciso. Yeah. And we are staying at a resort up here. It's you can see the roof of it, the red roof back there. So it's less than a minute walking distance down to the beach. But it's the nature views here are beautiful. I don't know if you can see in the background the mountains, and behind there's more mountains. And we're going to take a little stroll down the beach and just walk it. And are we going to go that way, or do you want to go that way? Okay. All right, so let's start the walk. So when you're here, they apparently have some island hopping you can do. There's several things apparently available here at these beaches. It's a small little town. I will make a little motor vlog driving through town and show you the town tomorrow, and try to get some information to you about this area, what the availabilities are. I have personally never been to this place, and it's about what did it take for us to get here? About 3 hours from where we... More than 3 hours?
More than 3 hours.
Yeah. Out there you have some other islands too.
Yeah.
And I put my foot in the water. It actually feels pretty good. So it's a lot of bamboo huts here, cottages. This area has a couple, three very upper scale resorts, and we just checked out rates and other things, and then ended up staying here at the kayak. Kakai, not kayak. I told everybody I have my own kakai. What does that mean? Is there a meaning to that? Or?
It's the name of the
owner,
person,
maybe?
the owner.
Kakai, that's his last name. It's hot today.
Oh my gosh, it's burning.
It is like, right now it's about 4 p.m., 4:30. And,
Yeah,
and it's
hard to walk on the sun.
yeah, the sand can be a little, it's almost better not to have any shoes on. But it's a nice area. And Kakai Hotel, to tell you a little bit about it, I'm going to do a short little video about that hotel. It is not a first-class resort, but what strikes me is how clean it is, how the owners take care of the property, and it was also built very recent. I think, how long ago? He said 2015, right?
Yeah.
So the resort is about 4 years into it, and now they've added a second and third floor to it as well. So that is it's a nice area, and I think they're going to stick in a pool here. It sounds like in the next phase of the project. That's how it looks here, almost everywhere. Behind up there in that area, there's a really nice hotel. Their rates are
That's the Kakay, right?
no, Kakai is up that way. Yeah, there. But I'm talking about further down there. Yeah, you see Kakai on the edge right there, I think. So that's where we're staying. But anyway, it's a nice resort and moderate in price. We got a rate of 2,000 pesos, which is what, $40 a night, and with access to the beach and everything within a minute walking distance. It's worth it. And the room was clean. If you expect, as a foreigner, expect a hot shower, they don't have that. But with this heat, I prefer a cold shower. So, yeah, it's a lot of kids down in the water here. Look at the mountains back there, guys. It's beautiful. What? What?
It's like you're climbing in the mountain.
Yeah,
Really hard.
it's hard to walk a little bit in the sand. All right, you got a lot of space and sand here. Public areas. This is one thing I'm having problems with. You see, that's what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but
Garbage.
people leave garbage everywhere. And I don't know what that is and why that is, but it seems to be something people do here all the time. Huh? Yeah, if you look at the sand here, there's garbage everywhere. And it's too bad that people don't appreciate their nature more. We're gonna try to do, tonight, I'm gonna try to do a time lapse that I'll set up and do another video with a time lapse. Yeah, so today, I said in the beginning we had a little trouble. Yesterday when we decided to leave, I wanted to pay the hotel rooms online because number one, the rates are better and everything. But anyway, doing that using a Filipino bank debit card with a U.S. website like hotels.com. The transaction was declined, and come to realize, Metro Bank, because it was a something I don't do all the time. It's occasional. Well, they actually stopped the transaction. The bank I'm banking with, and then we started traveling, and then we come to find out the debit card had been blocked by the bank. So I tried to call them last night, couldn't get through, and this morning I told Janice, we got to unblock the card, and we went through, and the card was unblocked. Well, we came down here and we paid cash for our stay, and then when I checked the balance on my account this morning, after they unblocked my card, well, lo and behold, they had also charged my debit card once the hold on the card was released. So I had to straighten all that out. And sometimes it ain't easy because you stay on hold for hours with the bank and can't get through and can't talk to the right person. The next thing you know, you need a manager and so on and so forth. So, but anyway, we got it straightened out. Look at these little crabs. See them? Are they always this small? And they go out? They're fast runners. They're fast runners. Alright, so sun is about to come down here in a few hours. I don't know if you can see that, it's so far away, but behind these cottages you can see the mountains rising up, and I don't know, one of those mountain tops are the Pinatubo mountain that erupted a few years back. Well, actually a few years. It's 0191, right? So 0111. It's almost 30 years ago now. But when it did, it started with an earthquake about 10 months earlier. So we gotta be watching. Hello. Are you having fun? Good.